All right, mate. Welcome to the group. So, EOS, you're heavily invested in EOS. It's been a bit of a struggling project from what I hear and from what the price action. It's not done a whole lot in a considerable period of time. It had this one spike for like 2 weeks, and now it's back to crashing back down and back into this range. So, as a holder, it must be frustrating to hold it. Let me look for a larger chart here. Okay, so we've got a larger chart here. This is a lot better. Um, yeah, it's like I do like it, right? I do like it. I definitely do. I like the fact that we have finally formed the red 200 moving average. Now, what this needs to do is this needs to come down here, and price needs to, as soon as price gets back above this, and the white 100 will move up here and cross, for example. So if I just do that and maybe change that to red so there's no kind of confusion. So when we get that cross, and then price can actually bounce up on this, and it can actually be supported then by all of these 2 week moving averages, right? Eventually, you can see here when price broke out above all these moving averages, um, it was very bullish and ended up pushing the price substantially higher. So we need uh, we need this to cross somewhere here, and price needs to get back above here. Um, is a 2 week chart. So is it gonna get above, or is it gonna reject, or what's gonna happen? And yeah, sorry, it is a weekly chart, not a 2 week chart. Um, it's tricky here because like it's at a point where if it rejects here, it could roll over more. That's kind of the dangers of where we're at. But there's also a couple of very bullish things that I like. I like the fact that there was a big sell-off here, and this can be support, and maybe this area can hold for that next leg higher. Um, because you can see this uptick in volume here. On the monthly, this uptick in volume here it's a good sign that there's volume coming into it finally. And even though it did get rejected, sometimes you do get rejected before a real move. So it's very choppy. It's not an easy coin to read. Um, it's still slightly red here on the 3 month. This is on the new month. Um, I do think at some point, longer term, it's going higher. I do think that. But trying to figure out when that's going to go higher. Now, this is good here. I like this sort of price action because what it's saying is you got the big move up, and now you're getting an inside bar. Okay, you're getting an inside bar here. So the inside bar is a continuation or a reversal pattern. What it tells you is you need to be ready for a big move. There's a big move coming. Now, if you look here, the last time we got an inside bar here, an inside bar, we got a big move to the upside. Now that's the question. It's not looking like EOS is going to move much until a new year, until January. And then on January, maybe it can do this again. Between now and then, it's not looking like it's going to do very much.